Alright you fabulous folks, welcome to another vlog. And you might be thinking, wait Kerry, we've already had one this week, what are you doing? Well, guess what, this is a new series that I'm calling the Weekly Waffle, because I'm going to do one of these weekly. I'm just going to waffle on. Hopefully it'll be about stuff you can relate. I might have questions, hopefully you could answer them in the comments. I don't know, it's just going to kind of be a little bit of whatever throughout the week of what I'm doing, behind the scenes maybe of my sewing, a little behind the scenes of when Tom and I are out, or when we're out as a family. Yeah. Oh, river! So I was thinking of trialling this for about 4 weeks and then just see how it goes. If you guys are enjoying them, then I'll carry on. The last one I did, not the last vlog that I did, but the Confessions of a Small YouTuber, that went down pretty well. It seemed like everyone really enjoyed it. So, hence the reason why I thought I'd start the Weekly Waffle. It might be worth me mentioning as well that it's going to be kind of a very relaxed vibe in terms of I'm not planning anything, it's just literally what I'm doing. So there might even be moments that are quite out of context. It might seem a bit messy, it might seem pretty unorganised at times, but like I said, if it works and you guys like it, then we'll stick with it, I'll roll with it. Flies landing on me. Let's start off by talking about the fact that, yes, I hit 5k subs this week. Yes! I'm so happy. I've been so excited to hit that 5k. It was like a milestone. And I know, in the grand scheme of things, it's not a lot as far as YouTube goes, but that's a lot of people. That's a lot of people. Yeah, thank you guys. I'm out of breath, sorry. I'm not like insanely unhealthy. I've just been walking uphill for a very, very, very long time. Like from where I started to walk to here is like 25 minutes of just sheer, very steep incline. It was actually yesterday when I hit 5k and then I was buzzing about it. And then I've had a look this morning. Sorry, I was just checking you weren't zoomed in too close to my face. And I checked this morning and overnight I'm now on 5,100, like on the dot. When I last checked about 15 minutes ago, 5,100. What is that about? How has that even happened? I don't even know. That's crazy. So thank you very much guys for everybody who has subscribed and is watching and commenting and being all so lovely, because you're all very, very lovely and supportive. So thank you very much guys. Crikey, it is really humid today. It's like, I think it's going to be about 23 degrees. The sun keeps popping out here and there, showing its face for a moment, then getting a little bit shy. But it's really humid. Last week I embarked on a new journey. It's going to be a long-term goal. I've started going to the gym. And I love it. I don't know why I didn't start sooner. It's so, like, I get it. I get it. I didn't quite get it before. Because I'd never really been. I always got my exercise from walking the dogs or doing home workouts. I used to do that an awful lot, as you can tell. I haven't done for a while. But then I always find I'd lose motivation. I get sick of the routine. And also I think just having a different environment helps massively. So yeah, it's not something I'm going to really film. I'm not going to film it. That's just my own. I've got my own personal goals with that. And yeah. So I'm aiming to go about 4 times a week, minimum 3. If I do 4, I'm happy. If I do 5, I'm buzzing. However, that does depend on obviously what we're doing at weekends and such. So yeah, that's that. I just nearly went over on my ankle again. Some of you may remember that I sprained my ankle quite recently. Actually, I say recently, how long ago was it now? Probably about 5 weeks. Oh, I don't know. It's still swollen though. It's still quite swollen. It's like I have one elephant foot. It's not very nice. But yes, it clicks a lot. It's definitely not 100%. It still feels very weak. But I'm hoping that obviously going to the gym, that might help a little bit. especially when I'm doing like cardio and stuff. Let's go down there. Looks a bit cooler down there. This way, ladies. What else have I been up to recently? Oh yeah, we did the stickers on the TT. that was a first. I really enjoyed doing it. I'm not happy with some bits of it. I want to take them off and do them again, but we don't know if it might take the paint off that Tom's done, so that's a bit annoying. I'm a bit annoyed with myself, but I'd never done it before and I gave it a go, so I enjoyed it. I'd happily do it again. There's some elements that the more I did, the better I got at, you know, getting things straight and stuff and all that jazz. There's one element on it in particular that is 100% bang on, if I do say so myself. I don't mean to blow my own trumpet, but I got it pretty bang on. Obviously, I marked it out as well and measured everything and just really took my time applying it. And yeah, it's turned out great. It's just a shame some of the others are a little bit wonky, but whatever. It is what it is. It's all just a bit of fun, really, isn't it? You never know. One day we might be able to redo it and, you know, repaint it if it does take the paint off. But for now, the Rally in the Valley is coming up, so we haven't got time to redo things that are cosmetic. Tom and I have been very busy lately as well with something else that we've not told you guys yet, but the Weekly Waffle seems like the perfect time to mention it. So we've been working on merch. Now we did approach this a while back, but we just weren't getting it right. You know, we're like, oh yeah, that looks really good, but then there was just that little thing niggling away at us that we were like, do you know what, but it's not quite right. It's just not quite hitting the mark. And we tried printers and such, different printers, and the quality wasn't quite what we were after. It wasn't quite there. So we left it for a bit, and now we've circled back to it, and I'm pretty happy. I'd love to know what all you guys think. So I'm going to do a sample t-shirt with the embroidery machine. Thank you, Christine, once again. And going to see how it looks. And then I would love to know what you guys think. So you'll see Tom wearing it, obviously, on his channel. So you'll have to let us know in the comments of his videos when he's wearing it. I love trees. That's a pretty nice tree, actually. An oak tree, judging by the look of those leaves. I love trees. Does anyone else have a favourite tree? Because I do. I have favourite trees. I actually have a couple. My favourites are a weeping willow and a silver birch, just because of the sheer fact of how different they are. I just love their individuality. I love that the silver birch has obviously the silver white bark. I just think they look awesome, and I love the leaves. They just look so cool. And a weeping willow, I grew up with a weeping willow in my garden, and I used to love climbing it, and it's massive and it's just beautiful. It's an absolute thing of beauty. So yeah, do you have a favourite tree? Tom has a favourite tree too. His favourite tree is a what's it called? Redwood. Why does that not seem right? Why has my mind gone blank? You know what I mean? The biggest trees. Unfortunately, there are none of those trees in this little bit here. But still very beautiful all the same. I love being around trees. The dogs particularly love being in like a woodland area. Definitely. I wonder why. Well, I think that's enough waffling from me for this week. Thanks for joining me. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.